Welcome to the spoken tutorial on LibreOffice Base. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a push button to a form. In the last tutorial, we learnt how to add a list box form control to a form. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn how to add push buttons to a form. Let us first invoke the LibreOffice Base program if it's not already open. And open our library database. You probably know how to open an existing database by now. Click Open under the File menu and choose Library Database. Now we are in the library database. Let us open the Books Issued to Members form that we were working with in the last tutorial. To do this, let us click on the Forms icon on the left panel and then right-click on the Books Issued to Members form on the right panel. Now click on Edit. We are now in the Form Design window. Before we talk about adding push buttons to our form, let us make some way for the second list box for member names. Remember, we had an assignment of creating the second list box in the previous tutorial. First, let us remove the text box that is on the right of the member name label by right-clicking on this text box and then clicking on Cut. The text box is deleted. Next, let us arrange the form elements. Since list boxes need more space than text boxes, we will push the form elements further down on the form. Here is how we will do it. First, let us select all the form elements that are below the book title label. For this, we will use the click, drag and drop method. Next, let us click on the selected area and drag it vertically down so that there is enough room for the first list box that is adjacent to the book title label. Now, let us repeat the same step for the member name label as well. Now, let us click, drag and drop the second list box that is to the left of the member name label and move to its right so that it is aligned with the rest of the form controls nicely. Okay, let us save our work on the form so far by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl S. Now we are ready to add push buttons to our form. A push button is another example of a form control. We are familiar with OK, Cancel, Next and Finish buttons. These are some examples of push buttons. With Base, we can add these push buttons to our form and instruct Base to perform specific actions when clicked. Again, save or undo or delete are some examples. Let us see how. Let us now add 4 push buttons to our form, below all the other form elements, just as in the image shown here. To do this, let us go back to our form design window and click once on the push button icon in the Form Controls toolbar. This icon looks like a button with the word OK on it. Notice that the mouse pointer looks like a plus symbol. Now let us draw our first button on the bottom left by clicking, dragging and dropping on the form below all the other elements, and we will resize it accordingly. Now let us repeat the above step 3 more times. And now we have 3 more buttons, all aligned in one horizontal line. We are done drawing the push buttons on the form. Now let us change their labels. To do this, double-click on the first button. We now see the Properties window. Here, let us type Save Record against the label. Now, let us click on the second button on the form. And in the Properties window, we will type Undo Changes against the label. For the third and the fourth buttons, let us type Delete Record and New Record respectively. Now, let us define their actions. To do this, let us click on Save Record button. And in the Properties window, let us scroll down until we spot the Action label. Here, we will click on the drop-down list box and click on Save Record. Let us follow the same steps for the other 3 buttons. For the Undo Changes button, we will choose the Undo Changes action. For the Delete Record button, we will choose the Delete Record action. And for the New Record button, we will choose the New Record action. So now we have added the push buttons. Okay, let us save our form by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S and close this window. In the next tutorial, we will go through just 3 more simple modifications to our form, and then we can use the form for data entry and data updates. For example, when a library member returns a book, we can update this information in the database using this form. Here is an assignment. Add a 5th push button to the form beside the 4th, and when used, it should refresh the form. And add 4 narrow push buttons in the next line below. These buttons should help us navigate through the records. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on LibreOffice Base. To summarize, we learned how to add a push button to a form. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. This project is coordinated by spokentutorial.org. More information on the same is available at the following link. This script has been contributed by Priya Suresh, Desi Crew Solutions, and this is Soundarya, Desi Crew Solutions, signing off. Thanks for joining.